Doing internships during your college years is an absolute must if you want to stand out from others and gain vital skill building experiences that will help you make your first move into a job without much hassle. So, if you're a college going student, by the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of how to apply for an internship in your dream company. Hello everyone, I'm Diksha Arora, your interview coach, helping you in landing your dream job and excelling in your careers. In today's video, we will discuss advantages of doing internships, how to apply for internships off campus. Most importantly, I will teach you how to use your LinkedIn profile to get maximum internship opportunities. And towards the end, I will also provide you with some golden points that will increase your chances of getting an internship off campus. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to the video if you like my content. Now, without any further delay, let's get straight into the lesson. First, let's talk about advantages of doing internships. The biggest advantage is getting pre-placement offer. In simple language, pre-placement offer means that you have a job offer in hand from the company where you are interning. During your internship, if you're performing well, you increase your chances of getting a PPO from that company. See, it's easier for the company also as they have seen your work and they have also trained you regarding their projects. Imagine you have a job even before your campus recruitment starts and your stress of finding a job after graduation is gone. The second most important benefit is you discover your passion. Corporate life is very different from college life. Doing internships helps you understand the kind of work you enjoy. For example, a student of mine was from a finance background and wanted to make a career in that field. However, during his internship, he realized that he was more interested in digital marketing profile. As you can imagine, these careers are poles apart. Hence, doing internships and experimenting with different projects can help you massively in deciding the career you want to pursue. Now let's learn how to apply for internships off campus. Number one, company websites. Many companies list internship opportunities on their official websites under the careers or jobs section. Regularly check these pages. Apply directly through the provided application forms and follow any specific instructions given by them. Second is through LinkedIn. It is one of the best professional networking platforms where you will find number of positions and people who are looking for interns. There are two methods to apply via LinkedIn. Method one is use the search bar to look for internships along with your desired industry or job title. Use filters such as location, date posted, experience, and company to narrow down the results. Now here you will find tons of companies who are looking for interns. Review the job description and you can directly apply from here. You can also set up alerts to stay updated. Second method is find and connect with professionals in your desired industry. Personally, this is my favorite method. And if you follow this method, just like I'll tell you, your chances of getting a positive response will be more. For this, go to your LinkedIn profile and then in the search bar, type recruiter and click on people tab. Now you can further use filters such as location and company to narrow down the research. These are the people who are responsible for hiring. You can send them a personalized connection request and once connected, send a polite message expressing your interest in internship opportunities and ask for advice or openings. Here is sample template that you can use to send them a message. Just make sure that your LinkedIn profile is optimized so that when the recruiter is going through your profile, it leaves a good impression. If you're struggling with your LinkedIn profile optimization, I have covered this topic separately in another video. I will attach the link in the description box below and you can have a look at it. Another way to apply for internships is to check platforms like Indeed, Naukri and Glassdoor. You will find a lot of internship opportunities on these platforms as well. Moving further, Intershala is one of the largest internship platforms in India, offering wide range of internship opportunities across various industries and job roles. It provides internships for students and recent graduates, including remote and part-time options. You can find paid as well as unpaid internship opportunities here. Last but not the least, you can also check Let's Intern. Let's Intern is another popular platform for finding internships. You can find internship opportunities across different areas and the placement is also very good. Students are selected by top companies. Additionally, you receive industry level certification upon completion, which you can add to your CV. Such certification further increases your chances of getting more job offers. With this, let's discuss a few golden points that you should keep in mind when you're applying for internships off campus. Apply promptly to internships posted 4 to 5 days prior to increasing your chances. Be aware of fake postings. Genuine internships don't require an upfront payment. Optimize your resume to be ATS friendly for better screening results. Stay persistent. Don't be discouraged if you don't get immediate response. Keep applying. Prepare for the interview, have your introduction and position related questions ready. Last but not the least, don't worry about lacking certain skills. As a freshers, companies understand that and they are willing to train you if you showcase qualities such as communication, creativity, leadership, or teamwork. You have great chances of getting a positive response. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gave you valuable insights into how you can secure that dream internship even if it's off campus. Remember, taking initiative and staying proactive is key to landing great opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I'd love to help you out. Best of luck for your internship research. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep following your interview coach Diksha Arora to ace your interviews and excel in your careers. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Good luck, bye-bye, and take care.